And we have made a money streaming platform which is currently hosted on Netlify on Solana blockchain. So this is the demo app. So I can connect my wallet from here. So when I connect my wallet, I can see all the streams I have created. I have created 3 streams to these addresses, and with this much amount of lamports, I can see all the streams I am receiving from. I am receiving from these streams. So these are the ones which have started already, and this one is not started. So this will start when when the time it hits its start time. So I can withdraw amount from these streams. So I can withdraw like 0.004 sol from this one. So we will withdraw some amount of sol. So like from we can withdraw 0.16 sol from this one. So we will withdraw that. So I will show you my balance. So this is this. So I will withdraw. So these much lamports means 0.16 sol. So I will create a withdrawal request. So this will ask me to approve the request. I have approved it, and this sends the request to our program, which is deployed on DevNet on Solana blockchain. So this will take 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, so the withdrawal was successful, and I can see my balance is updated here. It's 0.17. So now I will show you how to create a stream. So we can create a stream from this button. So the first step is to connect the wallet, which I have already done. So I can go ahead and press next. So then I can select the tokens, which are SOL tokens. Then I can enter the amount I want to send to the receiver every second. So I will enter 66, and then when this stream will start, it will start on 5. So it will end in on 6 at some time in the morning. Okay, so I can enter an address here. So let me just copy one address. So this is an address I can send money to Solana. So I will submit this request, and then this will ask me to sign the transaction. So I will approve it. So this sends a request to again our program, which is deployed on DevNet. So this will take 1 or 2 seconds, and the stream was created with this stream ID. So I can go ahead and check my streams, which will now have 4 streams. So these are all the 4 streams. Some amount of lamports were withdrawn. Those were very less, so we can see a visible change here, but yes, some amount of lamports were withdrawn. So I can also cancel streams, like if I want to cancel this, so I can close the stream, and then we can split the reward. So currently on DevNet we have zero lamports earned by staking, but this will actually this will show up something with some value. So we can split, like 0 split 30% is 0. So we can submit the request, and then this will ask me to this can only be done by the sender. So this will ask me to sign the transaction. I will sign it, and then we can see this is loading up. So this will like complete in 1 or 2 seconds. So if some amount of money is already streamed to the user, that amount goes to the user then. Okay, so now I can show you this website also comes has a dark theme. So this is just little demo for that. Okay, now I will show you info which we have added. So these are some questions which might people have about our platform, so they can find answers to them here. So now I will show you the source code. This is so all the source code is on GitHub with this organization, under this organization. So for deserialization and serialization with the Boast library, we have used SolFluid backend. This also gets all the program derived addresses, and then parses their data for valid JSON into valid JSON format, so the front end can use it. So that this Rocket, this is made with Rocket framework on Rust. So this is the code for Solana SolFluid program. So we can check this from here. So this basically have four routes now, and this is the front end. So I will now tell you how does this work, like with the diagram. So this is our front end. Front end can connect to both back end and our client, our Rust program using the Web3 Solana client, Solana API or package. So what happens is when someone creates or stream, a program derived address is created, which has its stake account. So when I create a stream, like I created a stream, then a program derived address is created for me, where we save all the data. So this data for this stream, like the start time, the end time, the amount I have withdrawn, the sender, all everything is saved on the blockchain. And then we use the Rust backend to get. We can also do this by this, but I just wanted to make things easier for me, so I used the Rust Rocket backend. So this gets all the data, and then parses the byte data firstly to Solana Rust structures, and then converts that to a JSON for this for our front end. So you can find all the code in this organization, and thank you for watching, guys.